Hello students, welcome to your physical education class. Today we will be discussing about training in sports. It's our last chapter. It means chapter number 10 unit. This is the last chapter of your syllabus. So it's a very important chapter. Every year at least 12 to 13 marks question paper or marks comes from this chapter, training in sports. As you know, might have discussed earlier also. Basically, there are 5 components of physical fitness: strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, agility, or coordination. These are the 5 components of physical fitness. Means that if the person fulfill all these 5 components, he or she is considered to be a fit person. If you are a footballer, you need strength also, you need speed also, you need endurance also, you need flexibility also, you need agility. I'll explain this thing briefly. Strength means takat. Speed means जितनी गति, ठीक है जी. Endurance means stamina. If you are playing football, you need to play 2 hours for 45 minutes each plus extra time, and you need a lot of strength and endurance in this. Next is flexibility, lachak. Lachak means if your this feet slips, your पैर तिलक गया, ठीक है, your muscles and this ligament should be flexible enough to bear that slip. Otherwise it can lead to injury. Muscle pull हो सकता है. Your joints and this ankles and all that should be very much flexible so that you can play your game very well and efficiently. Last means agility means furti. Agility is very much needed in each and every, whether you are playing badminton, you are playing lawn tennis, football, hockey, basketball, any game, judo, boxing, जो भी ला लो, wrestling. Because फुर्ती ना होगी तो how will you play? उधर दा किवें कटोगे, एक थां तो दूजी थां किवें जाओगे? So you need agility. So these are the 5 components which are needed for physical fitness. So we'll be discussing about how to gain strength, how to develop speed, how to develop endurance, how to develop flexibility, and how to develop agility in this chapter. Okay? So many things, ways are mentioned in your book. Okay? How to gain these or develop these types of components. Okay? We'll be starting with strength first. What do you mean by strength? ताकत तो की हिसाब है, ताकत की होती है, ठीक है. So I'll go through the definition which is written in a book. It is ability to overcome resistance or act against resistance. Strength can be defined as the amount of force a muscle can exert. It is the most important component for games and sports to do any work in daily life. Its level different from game to game, gender to gender, and individual to individual. I'll explain all these 3 lines. First line, it's the ability to overcome resistance, act against resistance. Overcome resistance means suppose someone is pushing you, ठीक है, तुसी ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆ ਦੇਖੋ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਪੁਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਦੇਖੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਪੁਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਆ ਬਾਲ ਨੂੰ ਪੁਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਦੇਖੋ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਅੱਗੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਤਗੜਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਰੱਸੀ ਖਿੱਚ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਪੁਲਿੰਗ ਦ ਰੋਪ, ਆਪਾਂ ਇਧਰੋਂ ਰੱਸੀ ਖਿੱਚ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦਾ ਉਧਰੋਂ ਰੱਸੀ ਖਿੱਚ ਰਿਹਾ. Understood? The person is, there is one rope, I am pulling rope from this side and other person is pulling rope from that side. If I am having more strength, I will be pulling that person this side. If he is having more or she is having more strength, he will be pulling me to that side. ठीक है जी. ये है to act against resistance. देखो सेम डेफिनेशन तो रखी है, एबिलिटी टू ओवरकम रेजिस्टेंस एंड एक्ट अगेंस्ट रेजिस्टेंस. कि उन्होंने खिंचा, ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਖਿੱਚ ਰਿਹਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਿੱਚ ਰਹੇ. जे मेरे च इफ आई एम हैविंग मोर स्ट्रेंथ मैं उत्थे रजिस्ट करूँगा, तो जे उन्ना ज़्यादा तो वो उधर खिंच के ले जाएंगे। ठीक है जी। लाइक वॉट यू माइट हैव एक मशहूरी नहीं होती, ये अंबुजा सीमेंट की दीवार है, इसमें स्ट्रेंथ है, मतलब कि वो जोर ना दिखाते कि अंबुजा सीमेंट है, ये वजन टुट देगी, इट शोज हिज स्ट्रेंथ। इस तरह बांगड़ सीमेंट जो भी है, सो दे आर प्रूविंग द स्ट्रेंथ। ठीक है, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ इन नॉर्मल डेज एग्जांपल वी कैन गिव। ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट लाइन इज स्ट्रेंथ कैन बी डिफाइंड एज द अमाउंट ऑफ फोर्स अ मसल कैन एक्सर्ट। हम बॉक्सिंग च लै लो, अ स्ट्रेंथ अमाउंट ऑफ फोर्स अ मसल कैन एक्सर्ट। जब आप रस्सी खिंचते किन्ने कर सकते हैं, वेट कितना चक सकते हैं, आर्म्स हैव टू लिफ्ट ना। जब आप वेट कर रहे हैं, सम पीपल आर लिफ्टिंग 10 kg वेट, और मेरे वर्गा 30 किलो चक सकता है। सम पीपल दे आर प्रैक्टिसिंग अ लॉट, दे कैन लिफ्ट अप टू 20 kg, 40 kg, 100, even 200 kgs. It depends upon the practice and amount of strength they are having in their arms. So it is most essential components of games and sports. It is the most essential, because if you don't have strength, you won't be able to stand for longer time. ਲੱਤਾਂ ਦੁਖਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ if you don't have strength. Suppose I have to teach for 4 hours. ਜੇ ਮੈਂ 4 ਕਲਾਸਾਂ ਦਿਨ ਚ ਲਵਾਂ, I have to stand inside that class for 4 hours. Means I need a lot of strength. Otherwise मैं ਡਿੱਗ ਪਊਂਗਾ। ਬੰਦੇ ਕਮਜ਼ੋਰੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਬੰਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਬੈਂਚ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਬੈੱਡ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਜੇ ਬੈੱਡ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ। Means strength is less in his or her legs. ठीक है जी। So next is in its level different from game to game. ਇਹਦਾ level different है, like what you need different kind of strength in hockey, you need different kind of strength in football, you need different kind of strength in अपना wrestling, judo and any other game, golf and all that. ठीक है, but strength is needed in each and every game. And last line is gender to gender, there is no such person in the world जिन्ना दी strength same हो, किसी च घट होगी किसी ਵੱਧ होगी। ठीक है, एंड इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल। ठीक है जी। पर्सन जेंडर मीनस मेल ते फीमेल, सॉरी, सो दे जेंडर टू जेंडर मेल्स, हम देखो मेल ऑटोमैटिक है, मेल्स आर लिफ्टिंग 100 kg, शायद फीमेल्स ना चक सकते हो। वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड देख लो वेट लिफ्टिंग का, men are lifting more weight than, this is not discrimination, this is a natural process according to the research। ठीक है जी। एंड इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल कि हर पर्सन, एवरी पर्सन इज हैविंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ, मतलब कि मेरे च घट हो सकती है, तुहाडे ज़्यादा हो सकती है। इट गोज विद एज कि तुसी वेट ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर रहे, आई एम नॉट डूइंग वेट ट्रेनिंग, यू आर यंगस्टर्स, यू आर डूइंग मोर वेट ट्रेनिंग, तुसी एक्टिव रहने हो लाइफ, तो यू माइट बी हैविंग मोर स्ट्रेंथ देन मी। सो जनरल टाइप्स ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है कि जनरली स्ट्रेंथ कैन बी इम्प्रूव थ्रू एक्सरसाइज। General, I am going telling you this for information sake, going for weight training, free hand exercise जो मर्जी, calisthenic exercise। ठीक है जी। कोई जनरल एक्सरसाइज स्पैसिफिक, जनरल से स्पैसिफिक फर्क होंगे। जनरल तो जनरल होंगे, जिमें घुमा ली बाहवां घुमा लिया, इस तरह कर लिया। स्पैसिफिक होंगी स्पैसिफिक रिलेटेड टू दोज गेम्स। Each and every game is having different type of set of exercises. If you are a footballer, you need different type of exercise. If you are a wrestler, you need different kind of exercise. ठीक है, it depends upon the कि what kind of general and specific। ठीक है। So next topic is types of strength। First, it is written static strength. Static strength is also known as isometric strength. It is a built to muscle to act and resist when body is not in motion. Static means stable. जेडे खड़े खड़े जान ला सकते हैं, you need not to move from one place to another for that। ठीक है। Static strength can be measured by dynamometer. This type of strength can be seen directly, cannot be seen directly। Static strength is not usually applied in sports but in weightlifting. It is applied in phases. For example, holding position of all yoga asanas। ठीक है जी। I can give you example of static strength. You might have seen in gymnastics also, or Roman rings। इस तरह रोमन रिंग होंगे ना, देखो lift. The rings are there in gymnastics. Roman rings are there. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹਵਾ 'ਚ ਲਮਕਦੇ ਆ. They hang in the air and a lot of strength is needed for that. You might have seen in gymnastics. ਤੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਹਵਾ 'ਚ ਲਮਕਣਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਟੇਟਿਕ ਕਰਨਾ, ਲੈਗਸ ਸਟ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ. This is a perfect example. weight lifting 'ਚ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ weight lifting 'ਚ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉੱਠਣਾ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਰੱਖਣਾ for 3-4 seconds. weight lifting, that is the perfect example ਜਿਹ 'ਚ movement ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ. ਠੀਕ, I'll explain you each and everything with the examples. Next is dynamic strength. It is also known as isotonic strength. It is related to movement. Thus, we can say that required for movement in sports. Dynamic strength can be further divided into 3 parts: maximum strength, explosive strength, and strength endurance. Maximum strength means its ability to overcome. हम देखो part लिखे ना, dynamic strength. Second is a dynamic strength. Dynamic strength means movement is there, work done can be seen. ठीक है, बहुत सौखे तरीके नाल. ठीक है जी. So it is needed in each and every game because movement is there. If you want to kick the ball, you have to move, leg bend करनी ना. If you want to throw the ball, you have to bend your arm and throw. ठीक है जी. weight lift करना है, bend होके इस तरह करना है, पर वो part of isotonic exercise है. I'll give you examples also in next topic, then you will come to know about this thing. Maximum. Next is maximum. It is ability to overcome, to act against maximum resistance in single contraction of muscle. It is required in weightlifting, powerlifting, wrestling, throw event. देखो जी, maximum dynamic strength ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ part है maximal strength. Maximal strength means you have to apply your maximum strength at one go. Suppose you are a thrower, ਤੁਸੀਂ discus throw ਕੀਤੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ next time I'll put up better strength. No, you have to apply maximum strength at that time so that your discus can cover maximum distance. ठीक है जी. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲਾਓਗੇ, your discus will not cover that much of distance and you will be losing that tournament. ठीक है जी. You won't. So powerlifting, wrestling, throwing event, these are the perfect examples of maximum strength. Means maximal कि जिन्नी जान हैगी है एक बारी लानी है. Next is explosive strength. Explosive means with a blast. So perfect example of this explosive strength is like what? Jumping event, sprinting. Sprinting means 100 meter लानी है. 100 to, you might have seen world record of Usain Bolt, 100, 200, 400. You need to apply that energy with a blast, with the movement. एक थां तो दूसरी थां जा रहे हैं ना. Not in the case of weightlifting or yoga asanas, जिस में stable रहना पैंदा static. But in dynamic you have to go for movements. Means running कीती है इत्थों लेके 100 मीटर तक, 200 मीटर. You have to apply explosive strength with maximum endurance, बल्कि strength. There are few examples given in your this book also, that basketball, volleyball, cycling. ठीक है जी. So there is some movements required in explosive strength also. It is a part of this dynamic strength where movement is required. Next is strength endurance. Strength endurance means it is needed for long distance races. 5,000 meters, 3,000 meters, 10,000 meters, cross country, half marathon. ठीक है जी. Marathon. So you need this strength endurance, which is third part of dynamic strength in these types of games, which long time endurance. Endurance means stamina. Strength we need, but the person who is covering 42 kilometers of marathon, he need lot of strength plus endurance. ठीक है जी. There is one example, perfect example, triathlon. Have you ever heard word triathlon? It's a combination of 3 things. Triathlon, first swimming, then cycling, then marathon race. means person, it depends on the level, what kind of level he is competing in. First the person has to compete, go for 5 to 10 kilometers of swimming, then without a break the person have to go for 180 to 180 kilometers of cycling, then without stopping the person have to go for 42 kilometers of race, marathon race, ठीक है जी, which is the part of triathlon. The person who completes this race or wins this race is known as, considered to be the strongest person in the world, ठीक है जी. So many people in the world they complete this race and they are winners also, ठीक है जी. So it's a very tough game, triathlon, ठीक है जी. So I've explained types of strength, static strength, dynamic strength and अपना strength endurance, ठीक है जी. So you must go through this book also, you will be understanding everything and go through this lecture also, ठीक है जी. तो next topic we'll be doing methods of improving strength. Okay जी, thank you.